So this is the part 2 of the review video for Modelones, and for this one we have the gel art liners. The last video was a bit too long, so this is the part 2 for that. Okay, so let's get started. This is a pack of 6 gel art liners. You can also buy them individually as well as in set. So this one has 6 colors: white, black, gold, green glitter, silver glitter, and a blue one. This blue one is a glow in dark, so I'm sure you're going to love it. This is super magical. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the shade numbers if you want to try them. Uh, Pause the screen and take a screenshot or write them down. This will help you to pick up the right shade. These are all the shades. Okay, so let's start with the video. So this is my very first time using a striper gel polish, so be a little kind on me. So this is how it looks. I've tried nail polish stripers before, but this one I've never tried. It looks pretty much the same. This is the white color, by the way. Let's try. Okay, it's so easy to use, and with little strokes I think you can create a beautiful looking art. Very easy, nice, I like it. Time for the next one. This one is in black. I think maybe before trying, remove a little from the brush or keep them in upright position because it's picking up too much. I will try to do that and take very little, just like a gel polish. This one is black one. Let's try something different. Okay, different for this. Let me be true to you. I'm not very good with striper brushes. I can manage a detailing brush, but stripers, I don't know why I'm not so good. So this is nice, but please make sure not to paint thick lines. Nice and easy. The next one is the gold. It's a beautiful gold color. Let's try something. So you can use this one for sideways manis, for a simple manicure, and it will give it a nice effect. This is a beautiful shimmery color. I really like it. Time for the green. Ooh, this is so glittery. This is perfect for party or for Christmas nail art. I can't wait to try this gold and green color for Christmas. The best part is you can clean up your mistakes before curing, so it's so much easier. I think keeping a clean brush and some acetone nearby would be of much help. This is so lovely and so glittery. Again, I'm not very good with stripers, and this is my first time but this is so easy. I really like it. The next one is the silver. This is again a lovely shimmer color, very beautiful. Maybe doing little strokes can help. I will practice for sure with them. This is so nice. This is such a beautiful color. And the last one is the blue, glowing dark color. This is a nice blue shade, very cobalt blue kind of color. Let's try to create a butterfly with this. Remove the excess. My butterfly, she's going to attack me after if she sees what kind of butterfly she's turning out to be. Looks like a small kid is making the butterfly. Maybe they can draw a better butterfly with this brush than me. I don't know why. I'm better with a detailing brush than a striper brush. Maybe it's all about the length of the bristles, I think. Okay. It turned out better than I expected. It turned out better than I expected. Okay, so maybe a little shimmer. See, I told you, with a little practice I can make them work for me. It turned out nice, I think. Let me show you how it glows in dark. Let's turn off the lights and action. This is so pretty. Oh, oh, oh. Yay, I can't wait to try them on the nails. So beautiful. I'm so happy with these. OMG. I like it. So this was it, and thank you for watching the video. I really enjoyed trying them. It was my first time, so I stumbled a bit. I am not very good with stripers, but I do try to work them as much as possible. Otherwise, I prefer to use a detailing brush to do the work that a striper brush is supposed to do, or go with the stamping plates. But now that I have these polishes with the striper brush, I think I will try to make them work as much as possible. I really enjoyed it, and it was very easy to use as compared to many striper brushes that I own. Maybe they are not very good quality, uh, but these were very nice. I really like it. There are many other colors as well, so I think I'm going to try them as well. The colors are very nice. The glossiness and the glitters are very good for adding details. Actually, it's perfect for if you are looking for a French mani, a sideways mani, or adding those little waves on your nails. This would be perfect for that. So do try them. I think many of you can easily rock them better than me. So do try them and let me know how was your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more, and I will keep coming back with the new products. So bye.